How to install AirBnb app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on Play Store app. Now here's a click on the search option. Now here's search AirBnb. You will see AirBnb is here, so click on AirBnb. So if you want to install AirBnb, so click on install. So after click on install, you will see AirBnb is installing. So your app is installed according to your internet connection. So you will see few seconds later you will see app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen. You will see AirBnb is here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install AirBnb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.